A Carnegie Institution for Science audio press release for June 9, 2011. Meteorite holds clues to organic chemistry of the early Earth. New research from scientists at Carnegie's Department of Terrestrial Magnetism and Geophysical Laboratory sheds light on carbonaceous chondrites, which are a type of organic-rich meteorite. They contain samples of the materials that took part in the creation of our planet nearly 4.6 billion years ago. These meteorites include materials that were likely formed before our solar system was created and may have been crucial to the formation of life on Earth. The complex combinations of organic materials found in carbonaceous chondrites can vary substantially from meteorite to meteorite. Most of these variations are the result of hydrothermal activity that took place within a few million years of the formation of the solar system, when the meteorites were still part of larger parent bodies, likely asteroids. Organic material in carbonaceous chondrite shares many characteristics with organic matter found in other primitive samples, including interplanetary dust particles, comet Wilt 2, and Antarctic micrometeorites. It has been argued by some that this similarity indicates that organic material throughout the solar system largely originated from a common source, possibly the interstellar medium. If the common source hypothesis is correct, then there should be a relationship between the extent of hydrothermal alteration that a meteorite experienced and the chemistry of the organic material it contains. The research team studied 4 meteorite specimens from the shower of stones produced by the breakup of a meteoroid as it entered the atmosphere that fell on Tagish Lake in northern Canada in January 2000. The samples are considered pristine because they fell in a frozen lake, were collected without hand contact within a few days of landing, and have remained frozen ever since. The team demonstrated that the insoluble organic matter found in the samples has properties that span nearly the entire range found in all carbonaceous chondrites, and that those properties correlate with other measures of the extent of parent body alteration. Their finding confirms that the diversity of this material is due to processing of a common precursor material in the asteroidal parent bodies. The team found large concentrations of monocarboxylic acids, or MCAs, which are essential to biochemistry. They attributed the high level of these acids to the pristine nature of the samples, which have been preserved below 0 degrees Celsius since they were recovered. There was variety in the types of MCAs, which they determined could also be due to alterations that took place on the parent bodies. The samples also contained amino acids, the essential for life organic building blocks used to create proteins. The types and abundances of amino acids contained in the samples are consistent with an extraterrestrial origin, and were clearly also influenced, albeit in a complex way, by the alteration histories of their host meteorites. These results indicate that the chemical and thermal processing common to the Tagish Lake meteorites likely occurred when the samples were part of a larger parent body that was created from the same raw materials that formed our solar system. These samples can also provide important clues to the source of organic material and life on Earth. The Carnegie Institution has had over 100 years of extraordinary discoveries. To continue this tradition, Carnegie scientists need your support. For more information about this and other cool science, visit our website at carnegiescience.edu. This is John Strom.